be another K-beauty video. Many K-beauty lovers know that Korean people likes gradient lips. In my opinion, I think Korean makeup is more natural and subtle, and gradient lip goes out with that kind of natural makeup, I think. So I'm gonna show you two different ways to make Korean gradient lips. One is gonna be this lip I'm wearing now. I'm gonna use just normal matte lipsticks. And the second one is a more glowy liquid lip. Actually, to make gradient lips, it's much better to use a liquid lipsticks because it's much easier to smudge and make it natural gradient finish. But personally, I love matte lipstick, and matte finish gradient lips are really pretty. You know, that velvet matte finish gradient lips looks like a chiffon cake, you know? It's just so pretty, so I'm wearing it now. So when I make gradient lips with matte lipstick, I usually put very nude color lipstick all over my lips first. I apply 3C lip color in the shade Hold On color. This one is one of my 5 favorite Korean lip colors, so if you didn't check that video, please check it here. And then the most important thing about gradient lips is natural lip lines. So I usually use my finger or Q-tips to smudge the line, so you should make sure that there is no line between your skin and the lips. After that, you can choose a darker color of any lipstick you like and put it in the inside part of your lips. You don't need to worry about when you apply it because we're gonna smudge it later. I'm going with WAKEMAKE Rouge Zero number 10 Big Boss color. After applying on the inner side, just smudge it with your finger. Sometimes Q-tips, if you do it too strongly, they remove the lipstick color, so it's easier to use your finger to smudge it. Actually, it's really fun to find a good combination to make a gradient lips. You can try any lipstick you have in your house, just one should be lighter and one should be darker color. And if you think matte lipstick is a little hard, then you can try some liquid lips. Liquid lipsticks or tints or any kind of liquid texture of lip colors. When you want to make gradient lips with just one lip color, it's better to put some concealer first on your lips. Literally getting rid of the lines of your lips like we did with the nude lipstick before. And then put that liquid lip color you chose in the inner side of the lips. I'm applying Dior Addict Lacquer Lip Plump in the shade D-Mesure. This is one of my favorite liquid lipstick. Is it a liquid lipstick? It's like a more like a lip gloss. Anyway, it's the same. You can smudge with your finger or just Q-tips. But liquid lip color is much easier to smudge naturally. And if it's glossy, it's much easier because the glossy finish texture make it look more natural. So in Korea, liquid type of tints is really popular, and it's really easier to make gradient lips. Almost every day I wear gradient lips. That's my just daily lips. And then just sometimes when I want just bold lip color, I just put full lipstick. But I really want you to try gradient lips. They are really fun and really pretty and very addictive. If you have any question, please leave a comment. And if you find a really good combination of two lipsticks to make gradient lips, please leave a comment too. I can check it. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video. Bye! So hungry! I don't know the color name. After applying in the inner corners, just smudge it very naturally with your...
It's ready whenever you're done.